What is up, guys? This is Monster of Tech here, back with another video. And this video is an unboxing of an iPod Touch. So this is Apple certified refurbished, and this is the 5th generation iPod Touch. The 5th generation was released in 2012, and the color I have right here is slate black, and it is 32 gigabytes. So I'm gonna slit the plastic so we can open it up, and I'll let you listen to the plastic when we open it up. Alright, so here we go, and here we go. Alright, so there we go. Now let's open it up. It is a different box than normal Apple boxes. You can feel it's definitely cardboard, unlike normal Apple boxes. So we're going to kind of lift the iPod out, and we're going to look at the accessories. So right here is the iPod Touch Loop. So this was only on 5th generation iPod Touches. Here is what I assume is the accessory packet, and here is a quick start guide, info for it, and of course Apple stickers. This is not a pamphlet like what I thought. It's just a thick card. So let's open up this accessory packet, and we have a lightning cable, just normal cable, and below that we have earpods. So let's see. Alright, so this is the standard headphone jack one, so it's not a lightning one. So here's the iPod itself. You can see it's presented differently than normal Apple products. It's inside of this weird shrink wrap thing. Alright, so it's going to be hard to get out, but let's get it out. Alright, so there we go. So there's no like plastic on the screen. There's just this plastic thing on the camera lens. So there's nothing on the screen. It's just glass on the screen, no wrapper. But there is a wrapper on the camera, so I'll just take that off right now. Alright, so taking a look at the form, you can see it's pretty thin and light. And now we're just going to turn it on. So there you can see the Apple logo, and we're just going to see how long it takes to boot up. So right now these have iOS 9.3.5 on them. They originally shipped with a version of iOS 6, so that's very long support, but this has an A5 chip in it, so it's a very old chip and only half a gigabyte of RAM. So there won't be that much you can really do with it, but it's still going to be a nice addition to an iPod collection. And I am really surprised that they're still selling this on their refurbished website, considering it is a 7-year-old iPod at this point. Alright, should turn on any minute now. And I'm just going to take it. Alright, wait. Oh, there we go. So there it is. You can see it's iOS 9 because it has slide to unlock down there. So I'm going to set it up right now. But in the meantime, this is a Monster of Tech video. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. And I will see you in the next one.